The real reason you forget everything you learn. Ever spent 3 hours highlighting a textbook until it looked like a radioactive neon wasteland, only to wake up the next morning with the memory capacity of a goldfish? Don't panic. You don't have early onset memory loss and your brain isn't broken. The truth is, your brain is actually doing its job too well. It's an elite bouncer, and right now it's throwing all your hard-earned knowledge out into the alley because it thinks that information is a total party pooper. Welcome back to Studying Machine. Today, we are hacking the system and turning you into a super learner. Here is your 3-step blueprint to make knowledge stick like superglue. Step 1. Fire the bouncer, the need-to-know shift. Your brain is biologically wired to forget useless data to save energy. If you just read a page passively, your brain goes, "Cool story, bro, delete." To bypass the bouncer, you have to trick your brain into thinking the information is a matter of absolute survival. Don't just read. Interrogate the text. Ask yourself, if I had to use this information to escape a deserted island or win a $10,000 trivia bet tonight, how would I explain it? When you give information a high-stakes purpose, your brain flags it as VIP status and saves it to the hard drive. Step 2. The Netflix cliffhanger technique. Think about how Netflix hooks you. They don't give you the whole plot in 5 minutes. They stretch it out, leaving you desperate for more. You need to treat your study sessions the same way through spaced repetition. Instead of a brutal 5-hour cram session that leaves you crying into your iced coffee, break it up. Review for 20 minutes today, 5 minutes tomorrow, and 5 minutes next week. You are essentially poking your brain at regular intervals, whispering, "Hey, remember this?" Every time your brain has to work a little bit to recall the info, the neural pathway gets stronger. It's like working out, but for your mind. Step 3. Teach a toddler or your cat. The ultimate test of true mastery is the Feynman technique. If you can't explain a complex quantum physics concept or a historical event to a 5-year-old or your very judgmental cat, you don't actually understand it yet. Ditch the jargon. Break the concept down into a funny metaphor. Use simple words. When you teach, you force your brain to organize the chaos into a crystal clear picture. The big takeaway: you aren't bad at learning, you've just been using the wrong manual. Your brain is a Ferrari. Stop driving it like a lawnmower. You have the power to learn absolutely anything. So go grab that book, pick a topic that scares you, and start building your mental empire. If you're ready to stop forgetting and start mastering, hit that subscribe button for Studying Machine. Let's build your ultimate mind together. See you in the next video.